Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound dollar, we've been pushing down very hard. I think that we're looking at like an expanding flat, but it also could turn into a running flat. And what I mean by that is it could make a higher high, or it could make a lower high for more like an expanding flat. Either way, I think that we have a lot of downside potential left on this move. Going down to the weekly time frame, I think that this is actually a double three pattern. I think that the trend actually ends way back here, especially because this is three waves up. So this is 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. I believe this is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, which could make a higher high compared to this high for like a running move, or it possibly could keep on going down and make a lower high. Either way, at this point, it doesn't matter too much because we're just going to continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, I definitely think we're in a wave 3. I think this is a 1, this is a 2, and we're currently in a wave 3. Wave 3 should go normally to at least a 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the top of wave 2. We're only at the 61% right now, so this thing has lots and lots of downside potential. My target for this wave 3 is actually way down at around the 1.2092 area. So lots and lots of that downside potential over the next few weeks. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, I think that we started the wave. Well, this is the 1, this is the 1, this is the 2, and that makes this a 1 of 3 and this a 2 of 3, and now we're in a wave 3 of wave 3. Wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, so when you're in a 3 of 3, that's an extra strong trend, which means that we definitely should be continuing to look for shorts on shorter time frames, at least until we see some reason to think otherwise with a breaker structure to the upside. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, I marked this area right here because this would be the breaker structure that would tell me that this whole move down is over. I don't think it's going to break structure. I think it's going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs because it is likely a wave 3 of wave 3 on the higher time frames. So every move I see to the upside, just like this move right here, I'm looking at as nothing beyond a correction to the last wave down. Every move is likely just a correction to the last wave down. So any move I see to the upside is likely just going to be a correction to the last wave down. So as soon as it does start a move to the upside, which it probably will because we are at a Fibonacci level, I will throw my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive down. I'll look for 3 waves up. I'll look for impulsive down for the continuation of the downtrend. As long as it doesn't break this structure right here, I'm only looking for shorts in a downtrend at the end of 3-wave pullbacks at Fibonacci bounces. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.